Here at Richardson's, we're really looking forward to welcoming you aboard for your holiday. This series of videos is designed to help you enjoy boating on the Broads safely. Some areas of the Broads, such as Reedham and Great Yarmouth, are very tidal, which means water can be fast flowing and rise and fall by more than 2 meters. Particular care is needed when mooring in these areas. Pay special attention to the flow of water, which can be very fast. Always make sure you're mooring against the flow of water, as this will give you more control and can reduce the risk of accidental damage. If you need to, pass by the mooring location and turn the cruiser around to ensure that you're approaching the mooring against the flow of water. The person driving should be confident and in complete control. Everyone helping to moor must wear their life jackets and be holding onto the cruiser at all times. Anyone not needed to assist should stay off the deck within the cockpit area. Drive level with the space against the tide before turning in to ensure the back of the boat does not collide with other vessels, and put the front rope out first. The person tying up should be the fittest person and wearing shoes with good grip. They should step off the boat, never jump, as the mooring could be slippery even when it looks dry. Never use arms, legs or the boat hook to fend the boat off the quay or other obstructions. Allow extra slack in mooring lines to allow for rise and fall of the water. At Great Yarmouth, you should always moor at the yacht station, where the team will monitor your mooring lines for you. You'll have the opportunity to ask any questions about mooring when you collect your cruiser, but if you have any questions or concerns at any time during your holiday, you can call us for advice and assistance on the number in your captain's manual. Make the most of your boating holiday with the Richardson's Boating Holidays app. From planning routes and checking journey times to discovering hidden gems and mooring spots, the Richardson's Boating Holidays app does it all. Download now and unlock everything you need for an unforgettable Broads National Park adventure.